You're an elementary teacher and you walk into the classroom that you have that has some updated tools, possibly an Epson projector, a front row microphone. Let's get started on how to use these tools that may be different or new to you to be able to support your students as they come back to class. Now, starting with why, the reason to use these tools, the projector is going to help students to see the same image, videos, text, or items that you put on the screen. Using the microphone system and the audio connecting to that system from like other computers or the presentation station allows the students to hear the same message and even more importantly hear the teacher in more of a conversation level volume. Teachers can use the document cameras to be able to capture images and record directions. So instead of having to repeat over and over, items can be captured and shared, as well as the microphone system is going to help to alleviate some of the strain, especially from wearing the mask. Now, if you've used our audio enhancement microphones in other classrooms and the front row microphone is new to you, now the main difference is the volume control is on the blue item that is here, the blue amplifier. That space where that volume is at, that is going to be the turn up, turn down. Now, the most important part of this is the system is the same, that it's built to be distributing your voice, not projecting. So if it can be heard in the hallway, you're too loud. If it can be heard in the neighboring class, it's too loud. Now, the main difference on the microphones here, there's less buttons. That large white space is one button. It mutes, it unmutes. When it's muted for several minutes at a time, it actually makes it to where the microphone will power off. All right. So next up, charge the microphone nightly. The good news is it's a more universal. It's a newer micro USB to USB charger. So it uses more normal plugs. And then the other, just to repeat, don't have the volume loud. Make it to where your voice is repeated or distributed through the room. Now, the Epson projector is also new to you. Now, there should be a remote control that will power on this projector. All right. And then from there, there also should have potentially a classroom presentation all in one computer that looks like this. It's the monitor. It's not a monitor alone. It's actually a computer that is the monitor. It's all one thing. With that, when it's connected to the all-in-one, you'll see that there's some cords that aren't used. From there, you can power on the projector with the remote or the button that's on the side panel up here. The document camera. It's possible that your document camera is not connected to the same computer as last year, or it's been connected to your laptop for the last year and change. With that, I'm bringing it up because the options may not be remembered by the computer you connect the document camera to. You may have to change those options. This video that's attached here will actually walk you through those options and help you get to that, along with settings for the video recording that you can do. Along with another tool that can help is in the document camera Excite software. There's actually annotation tools that can help focus, such as you can see over here, the idea of like using some of the circling or putting boxes, circles, and such around, and then even, I think more importantly, being able to undo and redo that as you're showing an image on the screen. If it's not working, please create a help desk ticket. The small technology team actually uses the help desk ticket system to monitor what needs to be done, what work has not been finished, what work has been completed, and other communications with that. So please use the help desk system. This video again was created for the elementary teachers that have the Epson projector and the front row microphones that are a little different than some of the other classrooms because of the updates or modernizing of those classrooms.